How does she do that?
Can you do that beep beep? Beep beep. Oh, what's your
There's
favorite
no
sound?
way this is this good, bro. Let's start off with Daily Dose, man. Daily Dose of the internet. We just got a new follow. How do I say that? Tana? I don't know if y'all watch Daily Dose, but sometimes I watch Daily Dose. They be a vibe sometimes. They be a vibe. So let's check this out. Get our little Daily Dose, man.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This mouse was smart enough to set off the trap using a stick.
Are y'all this smart, y'all? Are you getting caught in the trap? All that for a piece of cheese. That's
This
me, bro.
experiment is called a Rubens tube. The purpose is to show the relationship between sound waves and sound pressure.
Give me the baby cry.
What in the world? How? Bro, this sound like a sound effect, y'all. No way. Bro, something about people. It's so many talented people in this world. What the hell is that?
Give me the baby cry. Can you do that beep beep? Beep beep. Oh, what's your favorite sound?
Nah. Hey, this cap. It's no way that she this good. Bro, somebody hire her, bro. Y'all hear this? How does she do that? I'm feeling the same way.
Can you do that beep beep? Beep beep. Oh, what's your
There's
favorite
no
sound?
way this is this good, bro. That sound right there?
This pizza man had to make a delivery.
Bro, that last sound, see, like the first two sounds, it's like maybe. But that last sound, cap. There's no way.
What's your favorite sound?
This pizza man had to make a delivery at a military base and stop to show respect when the bugle started playing.
Bro, he's just trying to do his job. Take the pizza and let him go, bro. Look at him with his arms crossed. This man's just trying to do his job, man.
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
Bro, the funny thing is, girls actually do this. They be trying to steal your food. That's how girls be. Like, if this, I don't want to be sexist. I'm sorry. But if a kid was right here, he would have asked. He would have did something. Like, the girl, she just picked it up and she knew she was wrong, but she was like, you're not going to say nothing, are you? Bro, girls actually be doing this.
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
Kicked him. I don't think the ostrich is supposed to be there.
Oh my goodness. See, this is why you don't mess
worry,
with
the
people.
ostrich wasn't hurt. I found a YouTuber that makes incredibly realistic cakes.
How do you discover this is your talent? Oh my gosh! Bro, for like a split second, I thought that was her, bro. How do you discover this is your hobby? Like, when did you discover this? Her IRL face is fake, bro. Bro, how?
Someone was driving when they hit a bobcat with their car. The bobcat was somehow completely unharmed, but was stuck inside the front of the car.
Oh my god. Oh, shoot! Oh my goodness.
This is a tick full of blood. The limbs of all arachnids are controlled by blood pressure. So this person realized that squeezing the abdomen of the tick will make their legs move. Does anyone know how this works?
What? Bro, this is fake. No way. Bro, how's the car standing up like that? Where's the rest of the car? No way. I'm so confused.
The engine of this motorcycle is so well made that this cup of water hardly moves at all.
That's nice. See, a lot of the people who customize their car they try to make it sound louder. Bro, that's not it. That's not it. Nobody want to hear your loud car just for you to stop at the same red light as every other car, bro. Nobody wants to hear it. Everybody got the same speed limit. What is your car loud and fast for? Everybody got the same speed limit. Are you a racer? Like, I'd rather the car be silent than it to be loud. I don't know. Is it just me? Isn't it illegal for some states to modify your car to make it louder? Yeah. It's the same thing with tint, but people try to find ways around it. Loud cars are so annoying. Bro, they got this car outside my apartment, and every time he starts the car, it pisses me off, bro. One day while we streaming, y'all gonna hear it.
These construction workers needed to slide over this giant bridge.
I know sometimes, like, you can't even have certain colors on your car. Like certain lights.
These construction workers needed to slide over this giant bridge. The way they did it was using regular dish soap from a grocery store. Soap is very slippery and it gets the job done.
What? What happened if it starts sliding too fast? Oh, they got something to slow it down. Lamborghinis are racist?
That is the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed.
Oh,
and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
All right, man. I'm gonna try to start doing. I used to do Daily Dose of the Internet on my channel, like almost every day. We're gonna start doing more Daily Dose of the Internet. I feel like it's a cool vibe, you know? Just something quick to post, you know? That was a good one. I'm not gonna lie. He haven't done one in 3 days. How is a Daily Dose of the Internet and you missing days, bro? Like, come on.
Got me feeling like you can take me anywhere but here. Don't know it's fate, but let me tell you, every time I look into this mirror, shawty love me, y'all been getting too high, too right. Let's go.